Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and smash the like button because today we've got something super exciting lined up for you. We're talking about the top 3 airdrops coming in July. Now, airdrops can be a game changer, and who doesn't love getting free tokens, right? So let's not waste any more time and jump right into it. Before we dive in, let's talk about why airdrops are so cool. Imagine waking up one morning, checking your crypto wallet, and boom! There are some new tokens sitting there, just waiting for you. It's like finding money in your old jeans, but way better. Airdrops are a fantastic way to get involved with new projects, and sometimes they can be very lucrative. Plus, it's a great way to diversify your crypto portfolio without spending a dime. All right, our first project is something truly unique. We're talking about Hamster Combat. This is probably the most well-known project in this niche these days, although I must admit, I'd thought that by now the airdrop will already be out. But as of this time, we are still waiting. Some people thought it would be on July 10th, including me, by the way. Some think it's going to be on July 18th. Well, I'm also not so sure about that either. But in one thing I'm pretty sure, we are getting this airdrop pretty soon. Now, to be honest, with the popularity that Hamster Combat have gained so far, it's getting harder and harder to be able to get an airdrop, and I've got some more interesting project to you later on this video. But you still want to have a shot at this, then good luck. Now here are the details of the Hamster Combat airdrop. To qualify, you'll need to join their Discord, follow them on Twitter, and hold a small amount of their native token. They're also running a few special contests and giveaways, so there are plenty of chances to snag some free tokens. Make sure to keep an eye on their social media for exact dates and steps to participate. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this one. Moving on to our next project. This one is a bit different, but equally exciting. Imagine stepping into an open-world metaverse where you can create, explore, and interact with digital spaces and assets. Think about the endless possibilities of a virtual world where you can let your creativity run wild. Sounds cool, right? Well, welcome to Pixelverse. Pixelverse is like a blend of Minecraft and Decentraland, but with a unique pixelated art style that gives it a retro vibe. It's an open-world metaverse where you can create your own mini-games, virtual galleries, or even businesses. The possibilities are endless, and that's what makes it so appealing. The community is super passionate and constantly coming up with innovative ideas and creations. So what's the deal with their airdrop? Pixelverse is planning to airdrop their native pixel tokens to early adopters and community members. To qualify, you'll need to sign up on their platform, participate in their beta tests, and engage with their social media channels. They're also rewarding top creators and active users within the metaverse. So get creative and get involved. This is your chance to be part of something truly groundbreaking. All right, we've saved something special for the end. Our final project is one that's generating a lot of buzz, even though it hasn't officially announced an airdrop for July. But sometimes, being early to a project is just as good. This one is from a well-known name in the blockchain gaming world. It's adventurous, it's exciting, and it's got a strong community backing. Yes, I'm talking about Treasure Tapper by Gala Games. Treasure Tapper is kind of the same like Hamster Combat. There are only few things that stands out. 1. Treasure Tapper is backed, and I'm pretty owned by Gala Games. Gala, as I said before, are very well known in the crypto space. They have many games already out on their platform and they are growing by the minute. Although Gala is doing more stuff than just games at moment, stuff like music and movies. I am still super bullish on this company, and therefore every game that is connected to Gala, in my own opinion alone, is set for greatness. Now, even though we don't know if there's going to be an airdrop, it's still an amazing time to get in and play because we are early to this. Being early often means getting access to exclusive rewards and benefits down the line. To get involved with Treasure Tapper, you can just click by the link I will leave in the description down below and you can start earning. Also, you can join the Gala Games community, follow their updates, and participate in any pre-launch events or promotions they might have. Early adopters often get the best perks, so don't miss out on this opportunity to be part of something awesome right from the start. Please tell me in the comments down below if you guys enjoy this kind of videos. I'm really working my ass off in order to get you the best that I can. I really hope that is at your standards. So please let me know if you'd like me to continue doing videos like this. Now before we finish, here is a huge shout out to all my supporters. Muhammad Albada Moyi Kaura, Enoxen001, Amar Novitube, Okemdi Chiemamezi, Behind Wheels, James, Peter Edet, Enger Chukwunonso Chioma, Osundeko Sazan, Yahaya Haruna Idris, Addie Queen, Jacob Malo, Sir Faithy. Thank you guys for supporting me. You are amazing. And there you have it, folks. Those are the top 3 airdrops to watch out for in July. Hamster Combat, Pixelverse, and Treasure Tapper are all bringing something unique to the table, and you definitely don't want to miss these opportunities. Remember to always do your own research and stay safe in the crypto world. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest airdrops and blockchain games. Catch you in the next one.